Good morning children. How are you? How good? Yeah. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson 1. Are you ready? Yeah, we'll start. Come to the board. Look at the board children, all of you. Lesson 1, about myself. About myself. How to say about you? What is your name? What is your father's name? And what is your mother's name? And what is your age? Which class are you studying? Which school you are studying? Such way we are saying about ourselves. That means about myself and introduction. You look at the board children once. Hello. H-E-L-L-O. Hello. I am. You have to say there or write there your name. You have to write your name there. This is asking your name. You have the name, right children? You have the name. Yeah, you have to write there. Suppose I am writing here Kirtana. Just an example children. Kirtana. Now you have to say I am a, here in the bracket, boy or girl. Kirtana is boy or girl children? Kirtana is boy or girl? Girl, yeah. If you are a boy, you write your name there and you have to write the boy. Here I wrote girl's name. That's why I write here girl. Isn't it children? If you write the boy's name, you have to write the a boy. Isn't it? Understand? Yeah. Next one is I-S-T-U-D-Y, study. S-T-U-D-Y, study in CLAS's class. I study in class. Which class are you studying? I am studying first class. Right? All are studying first only, no? Yeah. The next, like to. I like to. Many things are there. Watch TV, play football, play cricket, read a storybook. Okay. What do you like to do? I am writing mine. See, read. I like to read storybook. I like to read storybook. The next, dash is my country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Where do you live? That is the question there. Where do you live? I live in India. Our country is India. I-N-D-I-A. India is my country. Okay, everyone's. Ours all live in India. See here, names will change. Boy or girl will change. Then read storybook, your interesting hobby will change. But India is all together live in India. That is same only. Then the name, N-A-M-E, name of my S-C-H-O-O-L school. S-C-H-O-O-L school is, what is your school name? Yeah, St. Peter's School. St. Peter's, Peter apostrophe S, school. St. Peter's School. Read the sentence. The name of my school is St. Peter's School. Yeah. Then my F-A-T-H-E-R apostrophe S, father's. N-A-M-E, name is. You have to write your father's name. I will write Mr. Reddy. Okay. You have to write your father's name clearly there. Then next, same. My M-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S, mother's. N-A-M-E, name is. What is her mother's name? What will write? What will write? I am writing here Bindu. Then my mother's name is Bindu. Again, I am. How much you are tall? So here asking the height here. How much tall you are, children? I think 125 or 129 centimeters. Okay. Then I weigh means your weight is how many kgs you? Whenever you are going to the hospital, doctor immediately say to you, check your weight. Okay, we'll write here 25 kg. Okay. So these are about yourself. That means about myself. If I am saying about me, we say myself. If I am saying about you, I should say yourself that. Now myself. See here. We'll read once again here. Hello, I am Kirtana. Here will change your name, children. Okay, you write your name. Then I am a girl. If you are a boy, you have to write the boy there. Isn't it? Yeah. I study in class first. Next, I like to read storybook. I like to read storybook. You can write watch TV, play football, play cricket, anything. Then, India is my country. You are living in India country. Then, the name of my school is St. Peter's School. My father's name is Mr. Reddy. That also you write your father's name. Here also same. My mother's name is Bindu. You write your mother's name. Okay. I am. What is your? How much you are tall? Here write 129 centimeters. Okay. Your weight. I weigh 25 kg. These are about yourself. Then you can write I am thin, I am fat, I am very tall, I am short. Like way also you can say about yourself. Okay. Did you understand, children all? Yeah. Very good. Listen. Now you understood about yourself. Send it. Then about that we will do some exercises. Come to there. Yeah. Circle the country in which you live. Which country you live? Before I said that, which country you live in? India. I am circled here. Not in USA, not in Sri Lanka, not in Nepal, and not in Pakistan. Where do you live? Our country's name is India. Where do you live? In India. Okay. Then next we can see a birthday. A birthday party. One girl is celebrating the birthday. For suppose children, you are also celebrated many birthdays. Isn't it? You are also celebrated, no? Now 5 birthdays celebrated. First birthday, second birthday you are not remembering. You are very tiny. But third, fourth, fifth you are, no. You realize that. Okay. You are grown up little. So, on the birthdays, how did you celebrate the birthday, yours birthday, children? Yeah. Cutting cake, calling your friends, clapping, gifts, such things we can see there. Here we will see what are the things we can see in a birthday party. We will see, children. Birthday. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. Once again, B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. You have to write your birthday here. I was born on. When is your date? For suppose 10th. Which month? We'll write April. Okay. It may change, children. Everyone's date of birth and birthday will change. Then dash year. Okay, 2012. We'll write there the year. So we'll say once again, I was born on 10th April. 10th April 2012 year. Isn't it? That is the day every year, April 10th, we are celebrating our birthday. You are celebrating every year, same day only you are celebrating now. Okay? Then, what are the things we can see in the birthday party? We'll check. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. What do we cut on the birthday function? We'll cut the cake. Yeah. Then next, balloons. We like it. We are blowing. You like it. Yeah. Balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Then we are getting the gifts from the friends. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. Then C-A-P-S, caps. You are putting the cap and you are giving to your friends also. Caps. Then F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. You are inviting your friends. Your parents also inviting their friends. Okay, and your grandparents and your relatives, uncles, aunties, everyone will come, no? Yeah. Then S-I-N-G, sing. T-H-I-D-A, B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. S-O-N-G, song. When you are cutting, others are singing a song. What is that? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. You know, no? That is the birthday specialities. When is our birthday? When do we born? That day only we are celebrating as birthday. Every year, every same month and same day. Suppose 10th April 2012, 2013, 14, 15, every year we are celebrating this. 10th April is your birthday. Isn't it? Then what are the things we can see? Cake, balloons, gifts, cats, friends, relatives, and we are singing the birthday song also. Isn't it? We are celebrating like? Yeah, we are celebrating the birthday like. Isn't it? We are going to third exercise. Circle the thing you would like to get as gift on your birthday. On your birthday. Bat and ball, bicycle, teddy bear, toy bus and shoes. Which one you like, children? I think you like to get the bat and ball, right? Yeah, we'll circle bat and ball. Then next, bicycle. Oh, you are very happy if you are getting a bicycle. Then teddy bear. Okay, you like teddy bear also. Toy bus. Like? Okay, I like this toy. I am circling. Here, shoes. Leave it. No need. No? So, these things you will like. Bat and ball, bicycle, teddy bear and toy bus. Isn't it? Again, fourth exercise. Circle the number which shows your current age. Circle the number which shows your current age. What is your age? How old are you? Before I said I am 6 years old. Yeah. Here numbers are 4, 8, 5, 7 and 6. How old are you, children? I am 6 years old. So you should circle the 6 there and write here. What do you circled there? 6. Write the 6 there. Then complete the sentence and read it. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years years old old. I am 6 years old. Understood, children, these exercises? Okay? Very good. Listen children, before conclude this lesson, you have to remember and understand what are these important words. Some few words. See, myself, M-Y-S-E-L-F, myself. You are saying about yourself, myself. If I say about I am a teacher, my name is Daisy, like you have to say I am a student, I am Kirtana, like you have to say. That is myself. I am saying about myself. Then we are learning about birthday. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. What does mean the birthday, children? Birthday means the day which you born. Means the day which you born. That we are celebrating as our birthday. Isn't it? The next, boy. You are a boy. Okay? Boy. The next, G-I-R-L, girl. You are a girl. That's what. Then U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique. Once again, U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique. What is the meaning of unique, children? Unique means never see like. Only one is there. Only one is there. You are unique. That means like you, no one is there. You are height, you are fat or thin. Such things never like you. Your nose, your eyes and your ears and head, hair, everything are different from others. Always, all parts are same, but some specialities are there. That you will say that unique. You never same with others. Always differ from others. Any habit, any color difference, something, some say little or minute difference between two. That's what we are saying, that unique. Understood these words, children? Once again read: myself, birthday, boy, girl, unique. Remember these words and this meaning also, children. Now we completed some 4 exercises. You have to write in your classwork and homework book one time and learn also and read the lesson carefully. Thank you, children.